Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and today in this video I am going to be sharing my top 3 tips with you guys how I reduced my hair fall. And personally, I have been a victim of hair fall, and usually people say that you get hair fall when you are stressed. It was just opposite to me, okay? So I get really stressed when I have hair fall, and there are few things I keep on trying out, natural ingredients which really helps in reducing the hair fall and regenerating new hair follicle. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. Now the first one is gonna be Amla guys, which is also known as gooseberry. Now if you apply it tropically on your hair, as it is rich in vitamin E and C, it helps in providing the nourishment to your hair, it helps in regenerating new hair follicle, and tropically applying it in your scalp also helps in reducing dandruff. Now there was a study which was carried out a while ago on rabbits, and it was found out that applying gooseberry juice on rabbits helps in promoting the hair growth. So same goes for human beings. Either you can apply it tropically in your hair. I'm someone who do not apply it tropically, but I drink it every day. But it is going to be equally beneficial for you. If you are someone who is experiencing severe hair fall, you can drink it and you can apply it as well. It is rich in iron, phosphorus, calcium, vitamin C, and guys, it is very simple to use. I'll tell you, you need 4 gooseberries and just put it in a mixer. Okay, just make sure that you're removing the seed because you don't require it, and add some water and put it through sieve. Either you can drink it. I would highly recommend you guys to drink it, and if you do not want to drink it because it is going to be very citrus, so you might not like the taste of it, but I love it personally. Or you can apply it tropically in your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes, and after that you can go in the shower and just rinse it off. Now guys, I want to introduce you all to this Alps Goodness Fenugreek Biotin and Redensel shampoo. Fenugreek is well known for its hair controlling properties, that is something we all know. It also has Redensel, which also helps in promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall, and Biotin, we all know, helps in giving you beautiful, denser and longer hair. I use this Alps Goodness shampoo when there is my wash day. I take good amount, apply it all over my scalp, and I thoroughly cleanse my hair. All the ingredients in the shampoo helps in controlling hair fall, and over a period of month guys, I have seen my hair fall reducing a lot. And I'm extremely happy with the results guys. And after that I follow it up with this Alps Goodness Serum. It has same ingredients which helps in controlling hair fall again, and all the products from Alps Goodness are free from sulfates, parabens and silicones. Now it is very easy to apply. After you have washed your hair, just take few drops of this serum and massage it in your scalp. I use it all over my scalp, and using this combination guys, over the period of 3 months I could see my hair fall reducing and my hair becoming denser. And every time I comb my hair, there is a less of hair fall, there are less of hair in my room and on my pillow as well. It made me really happy, so I wanted to share this secret with you guys. I will make sure that I give the products link in the description box below. It also helps in adding such a healthy shine to my hair. Next up is gonna be onion juice guys. If you haven't checked that video out yet, which I made in the past about onion, I'll link it here in the card so that you guys can go and check it out. I'll also give the link in the description box below. So onion juice is rich in sulfur, and also there was a study carried out in 2018 which found out that it really helps in regenerating new hair follicle and also helps in promoting hair growth, reducing the hair fall. Now the study was carried out in people with alopecia, and when they used onion juice in their hair for 4 weeks, they could see the difference that they had new hair growing up. Now guys, because onion is rich in sulfur and our hair is composed of a protein called keratin, which is also made up of sulfur. Now there have been a lot of study about onion juice, how it helps in regenerating new hair follicle and how it helps in promoting hair growth. And so I'll tell you, just take an onion which you have at home, which we use for cooking, cut it into small pieces, put it in a mixer and just extract out the juice and apply it in your scalp. Now if you want to add water, you can do that. Initially you guys will be needing water, So make sure that you add water in there, extract out the juice, put it through sieve, and just apply it in your scalp for some time, and after 30 minutes you can rinse it off. So guys, next up is gonna be fenugreek, which is also known as methi, and we all have it in our Indian kitchen. Now, fenugreek is a rich source of protein and iron which helps in promoting hair growth. Now, there are two elements which are found in fenugreek, which is going to be flavonoids and also saponins. Now, these two elements helps in regenerating hair growth and reduces hair fall. Now, I'll tell you how it helps in inducing hair growth, because both of these elements have anti-inflammatory and antifungal property which helps in giving you healthier scalp. It also helps in increasing the circulation in your scalp. Also, if you're someone with the dandruff, it is going to be equally beneficial for you guys. And now I will tell you how to use fenugreek. Now, usually I make a spray. So what you need to do is take some water, 100 or 200 ml depending upon the length of your hair. Put fenugreek into it, leave this water overnight, and in the morning all the good things, nutrients are going to be there in the water. Just take it and spray it in your scalp. Now, these were all the tips I wanted to share with you guys. They are completely natural, and there were several studies which I have gone through to extract out this information for you guys, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye.